What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is RobSolutely, riding with my buddy Randall today. We're heading up to Waterville, Pennsylvania, just for a ride. No real agenda today, just to have some fun on our bikes. He's on his Honda CBR954. You saw him in the previous video, and a lot of you guys commented about why we didn't have any commentary, so I got a mic on him today, so hopefully you'll get a better video out of this today.
So this is the Barn Find 954, guys. This bike's sat in the basement of a barn with hay bales around it since 2008. The guy that had owned it before, he had gotten an accident out in California, and he just wasn't the same afterwards, and he wasn't really a fan of it, so he stuck it under there, and I found it, and after I think it was like 3.5 years, she's finally here. She's on the road and enjoying herself.
Hey, we could go up to Hyner View too. I don't know how far that is though.
Hey man, I'm with you wherever. This is where the old skunks and the squirrels are come out to play with us. Tell you what, I gotta take a leak.
Now, if my dad was here, he would say, "Why do you want to take one? I leave one."
Oh, they probably think I'm doing some dumb shit.
I wouldn't mind doing a trip up to up to Wellsboro, Grand Canyon, one of those type of things.
Well, you guys did it last year, didn't you?
Yeah, we did go up last year. There was a guy that came down from Scranton on his brand new R1 and he wrecked on the way down. So, brand new bike was all like road rashed on the side. He was fine.
Oh, really?
But I give him credit that he wrecked on his way down and he still came down and did it. So, he didn't give up.
He got back on it, and that's all that matters,
man. Got back on
that's
it,
cool.
Yeah.
That is cool. It sucks, but I mean, life shows you what you need. Sometimes it's in a rough way.
Yep. You didn't tell me my turn signal was still on.
I didn't notice that time. You got the new signals on, man.
They're not as bad. We got a Y coming. I don't know where we're at, so. A Y in the road. I don't know which way. Oh, we're not going down the hill, are we?
No, we're going up.
We're going up? Okay.
Yep. Yeah, this is the way I wanted to go. Oh, yeah. So pretty.
It smells so clean and fresh, too.
Yeah, it's a lot better than downtown Williamsport.
Yeah.
It's really pretty if you dip down. There's a little waterfall right there. I think there's another one right here somewhere. Yeah. Is it pretty curvy up there? Oh man, I want to eat them alive.
You want to eat who alive?
These corners.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Pretty road.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, some shit in it.
Yep, be careful of that.
Yikes.
A Grom on something like this would be awesome.
Beating the hell out of it, it'd be great. Right here, I'll pop around it. Put around quick. Oh, there's a stop sign. I believe. I don't know where to go now.
Oh, 664. Lock. Head up that way. Wait a minute. Yeah. Ooh, I took off in 4th gear.
Did you really?
Yeah. I never shifted down. Clinton County. somewhere in Clinton County. There we go.
Look at him getting it.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
There's another guy. Yeah.
That's a CFMOTO.
Nice. Pretty sure that one we went to is right here. That's the long dirt road here on the right. Is that the one we went down? Yes, Lebo Vista. That's that one that we went and had down.
You want to head down? You want to turn around and head back down there?
If you want, yeah.
Yeah. Think there's any elks on this ridge?
Thick.
Watch your gravel. Watch your gravel.
Shit, almost got you, but you saved it.
Now we're good. Now we're good. I don't remember where that was. It was up here a little bit, about a mile.
Maybe about that far. Yeah, it's when it starts to open up. It's right there as soon as it starts to open up. I think it. I can't remember if it's gravel or not, though. You're gonna have to check. We may be able to get down. Well, we'll be able to get down it, but it's a matter of whether you want to. Yeah, it's. Is it this one?
It was right. It was right after this
Yep,
one. I
it's
think.
yeah. It connects to it right here.
Right here. Is that it?
Yep.
You want to ride on that?
No, we don't have to. No, I was just saying this is where we went. I couldn't remember if it was
It looked like it was paved when we came through.
Yeah, I
though.
thought it was.
So if we go up this way, I know we can catch Hyner too, which is higher than this, and you see all Waterville too.
Can you? Hyner's back further this way?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, now it feels better too.
Yeah, it must have cut power on you.
I didn't expect to come up here today, and I think it's pretty awesome. I think we actually have to turn up one of these roads. But the road that we'll come up to one that says Hyner View, and I think that one is a dirt road, then you have to go past that.
Okay. God, dude, if this was fresh pavement, this road would be tits. Oh.
Is that what we want? No, that's right there.
That's a bunch of people out there getting.
Does that take us to Hyner View? No, that's where we want to go.
Is
yeah.
it?
Yeah. Watch the gravel here. I think this is how you go.
Park closed to sunset, alcoholic beverages prohibited. Hyner Run Division headquarters. I'm just trying to read signs is all.
Guarantee this isn't the road. It's paved all the way up there. I thought it was like that that real loose pavement when I was wrong. Hyner State. That's where we are, right?
Hyner View is right there.
So we are there.
Like we are here, but it doesn't. I don't know which direction we would have to go.
I think we just go out here.
And keep.
There'll be a sign for it, I bet. It's got to be right around here somewhere.
Yeah. You first, bro, tater chip.
Oh, there we go. That's where we want to go. Can we turn around here? Anybody behind us? Nope.
Look at me on my 900. Your 1000 ain't shit. There, be careful. There's a bunch of algae on the road and moss and shit.
Algae all
Yeah.
over. I see that. Yep. Hell, that's probably worse than gravel. It would be worse than gravel.
Drop a knee. Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm riding this like I rode my Grom with my feet out.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'll do it with it.
Awesome. Whoa, look out.
Tight.
Wasn't so much that we didn't have room as much as he wanted to like take your whole front off.
Yeah. I can hear you. Oh, you're right there. Ooh.
Imagine if you had a house like this that nobody knew about, that you could look out and see this every day.
Bye, YouTube.